Alrighty, we're back,
Yo,
folks.
yo, what's up again?
We're back with another tutorial. What's up? Everybody's coming in pieces. Say hi to the All right. Okay. So let's go over some guitars. So the first thing we did, in the same track, back to me, the intro. So, we have a guitar going. Funny enough, instead of it
Show it to
going.
him dry first,
Right here,
probably.
dry first. Yeah, we'll go dry first. True. All right. So just palm muted like little melody riff. Um, recorded that. Actually, funny enough. Okay, so I recorded this through an amp that links up to my computer. So it wasn't direct in from like an audio interface. So it already had like some kind of preamp on it. So for anybody that's interested in how horrible we made this sound, yeah, that was probably why. But anyways, so following that, the most important part we put actually on another guitar amp, because whatever I had it running through at the time wasn't. It was already pretty clean and everything, so I actually had to process it again. But coming through that, I think I don't even know what we have. We just have a tube distortion tube. What is this one? I don't even know that. See, I don't even remember this one. What is this exactly? Oh, like custom. Okay,
Clean.
so another clean preset. Actually, was it? Oh no, this wasn't a preset. It was just something to mess around with. So, just find some kind of clean guitar preset if possible, and then the reverb's off. So it's just one single amp.
It's just going through another amp, basically.
Yeah, going through
a clean amp.
A clean amp. So that added a little bit of fuzz, I think, and then a little distortion. But I think it's mainly tube distorted. So, but anyways, that's probably the most parts. The most, if I can speak, the main part of the sound right there. That was it. The rest of it was, yet again, this is horrible. Widened it with reverb. Wow. And then we got room reverb. And then from there we added in an actual
More reverb.
More reverb, but this one is a like hall, I think. Yeah. Sounds like Griffin, eh?
Yeah.
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 Probably could do that better by just 2 and 2 takes, which we actually do now. This is
Yeah.
this is a very interesting project. 'Cause I don't remember half of what I did. All right. Yeah, tame some of the resonating stuff. I think there was a part in here that I actually didn't want to re-record, so I tried to cut out. I think I was plucking another note by accident, or I was palm muting it. So that's the only reason I did that. You don't need to do this unless there's something coming through. But just dynamic EQ there. And then I think I took out, no, actually no resonance. Just kind of tamed it a
Just
little
tame
bit.
some resonance.
Yeah. Using a dynamic EQ. I think you could use this honestly with like Pro MB or something else. But use a dynamic EQ for that. And then finally I think we added in just,
Some
actually
slate stuff.
slate stuff. It's just running through an EQ that's not doing anything. It's just
Literally electric guitar preset that we just tweaked a bit.
Yeah, I think that was it, right? Yeah, I think the electric guitar, it had like highs and stuff, but I guess we didn't need it. So then we have just compression and then that. You know what's funny is I think like a lot of these other producers that are like,
And then the sends.
yeah, the sends. Oh yeah, big point. Actually, big part in the sends. So, was this the track that was interesting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, we added a delay. You can use any kind of delay. I think we just did quarter note delay. Very minimum feedback, and then ping ponged it so that way it kind of spread it a little bit. And then from there, I don't know why, but there's another reverb on it that shouldn't even be on.
3 reverbs.
I think that was accidental. I think that wasn't supposed to be on when I
I think
bounced
this
it.
one's just putting it back in the mix more or something.
Honestly, probably. Yeah, it is. Wow,
Yeah.
That's something else. I wonder, like, looking back at this now from like a couple months ago, this is horrible. But it worked. I mean, honestly, it sounds alright. As long as it's not phasing out like crazy, because I know it probably actually is. Anyways, so there you go. There's the guitar. So pretty simple.
I mean, you could go over the other guitars, but like they're pretty similar, aren't they?
Yeah, I think actually these ones are they chugs? Oh,
Yeah.
I I see. I don't remember doing this. This was 2 regular guitars. I think the same thing. Same exact signal flow.
Yeah.
Except one's a bass guitar. Ha. There we go. So actually, guitar is pretty simple. Same signal flow as the last one, I believe. Yeah, same exact thing.
Except for the sends.
Yeah, except for the sends. It's just a chug, and then doubled with a bass. And the bass is just same thing, recorded through. Actually, no. Yes, actually, this was recorded through my amp again. Funny enough, so I didn't want the low end of the bass, so instead of cutting it out with an EQ, which I already did anyways, I actually I recorded it through my guitar amp again. And so if you were to record it through a guitar amp, there's not going to be any lows because it's not capable of inputting or outputting lows because of the hardware it goes through. So actually, I think it came through without any lows originally. There's like very little, which is funny.
I hear it.
There's a little bit, but compared to what you would normally have as like a bass guitar, there was like nothing. So plus we already have a sub over anyway, so I can see why. But anyways, that was that. It's pretty simple. And then with the sub. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. I don't remember doing that, which is funny. But yeah, very simple. Again, I think it's the same signal flow as the last one, except for no, this one's different. Bass preset. If anybody has this, punk pick bass is what we use. Anyways, all right. And there you go. There's the
guitars.
Actually, hey, wait, we did forget one, the drop guitar, which is funny enough.
Oh yeah, right.
So,
Can't forget the drop.
We can't forget the drop guitar. So there's 2, right? No, there's only 1. So there's 2. So the first one, I think it's distorted, or is it still a plug? So same thing as the intro with a plug, just for rhythm. The second one actually,
oh yeah,
was
the last
actual
drop.
This one actually I don't remember ever getting it to sound right, but it sounds good in the master, which is funny enough. So if I turn all this off, it's Slate Digital, the THU plugin again, and then Cosmic Solo is the presets, and then from there, okay, pointless. Just one single, and then we go look at the other one, and you know there's gonna be a million. So okay, we cut off the lows. Besides, this was actually pointless as EQ. So don't matter. Don't mind that one.
It's just OCD at that point.
I know, right? It's like okay. So yeah, then we cut out some lows, some of the really muddy frequencies, and then went through, added some compression, a little bit of high. I think this is what 10K is what this boost 10K. So 10K, a little boost in 10K, and then I think just a glue compressor. And then added a widening reverb again for some reason. Then from there we I think that's actually where I got rid of the frequencies of that one. So boosted more of the high, and then I got rid of some bad frequencies. Originally, you should probably try to do this before you even process, like either before the amp or right after the amp. I don't know why I did this at the end and then after anyways, I don't know why. And then I just added it back, I think, or is this? Oh, this is just automation gain. So, and then we have the drop reverb and then the guitar delay bus, which is for some reason actually. Oh no, that one wasn't on. Never mind. So yeah, no, that was it. Then we just added the reverb back. So. There's a lot of clicks and pops, which is funny. Oh, I hear that coming through now, and I never fixed it. But anyways, yeah, that was that guitar. Pretty simple.
Yep.
All right. Well, anyways, pieces, Brody.